Welcome to Hook to Books TV. 15 Wings of Fire questions, mostly from the Dragonet Prophecy arc, with a few flying into Book 6 and beyond. Spoilers escalate after question 5, so bookmark this if you haven't finished Arc 1. 5 seconds a question, tally on screen. 3, 2, 1. What tribe is Clay, one of the 5 dragonets of the prophecy? A. MudWing, B. SandWing, C. SkyWing, D. SeaWing. Correct answer is A. MudWing. What tribe is Tsunami? A. RainWing, B. SeaWing, C. NightWing, D. IceWing. The correct answer is B. SeaWing. Is Glory? A. SkyWing, B. IceWing, C. RainWing, D. MudWing. Correct answer is C. RainWing. Dragonet has memorized nearly every scroll in the cave, but is frightened of almost everything. A. Clay, B. Starflight, C. Tsunami, D. Sunny. Answer is B. Starflight. What tribe is Sunny raised believing she belongs to? A. IceWing, B. SandWing, C. RainWing, D. NightWing. The correct answer is B. SandWing. She's raised as the littlest hope of SandWing royalty. The full truth about her parents doesn't come out until Arc 2. Where are the 5 dragonets secretly raised hidden from the war? A. The Sky Kingdom's palace, B. The Rainforest Kingdom, C. The Ice Kingdom, D. A hidden cave in the mountains. The answer is D. A hidden cave in the mountains. Queen Scarlet, who captures the dragonets and forces gladiator fights in her arena, rules which tribe? A. SkyWing, B. SeaWing, C. MudWing, D. IceWing. The answer is A. SkyWing. Behind the deadly arena games the dragonets are forced into. A. Queen Coral, B. Queen Blaze, C. Queen Scarlet, D. Queen Glacier. The answer is C. Queen Scarlet. Dragonet's guardians stole Tsunami's egg from the SeaWing royal hatchery. A. Dune, B. Webs, C. Kestrel, D. Morosea. Correct answer is B. Webs. He took her to save a prophecy and cost her a mother she would not meet for 2 more books. Which SeaWing queen turns out to be Tsunami's mother? A. Queen Scarlet, B. Queen Blister, C. Queen Glacier, D. Queen Coral. The correct answer is D. Queen Coral. Tsunami's half-sister Anemone has what rare and dangerous power? A. Animus magic, the power to enchant objects, B. Fire breath, C. Shapeshifting, D. Mind reading. Correct answer is A. Animus magic, the power to enchant objects. Animus magic always costs the dragon who uses it a piece of their soul. Anemone learns that the hard way. Comes the new queen of the RainWings at the end of Arc 1. A. Sunny, B. Tsunami, C. Glory, D. Starflight. The answer is C. Glory. He wins the SandWing throne at the end of the War of SandWing Succession. A. Blaze, B. Thorn, C. Burn, D. Blister. Answer is B. Thorn. Thorn doesn't fight for the throne to rule for glory. She fights to stop the killing and wins it by challenge, not conquest. Peril, the dragon whose scales burn everyone she touches, is from which tribe? A. NightWing, B. RainWing, C. SeaWing, D. SkyWing. The correct answer is D. SkyWing. The assassin who becomes close to glory is a member of which tribe? A. SandWing Warrior, B. SkyWing Guard, C. NightWing Assassin, D. IceWing Spy. Correct answer is C. NightWing Assassin. He takes a scorpion's sting meant for glory at the very end of Arc 1, presumed dead, which is exactly how the fandom likes its assassins. So, what did you score? 11 or better, and you'd survive a night in the Sky Kingdom's arena, which is more than most dragonets can say. Drop your score in the comments. Before you go, free printable bookmarks for readers like you are at hooktobooks.tv/bookmarks. Print one, cut it out, and mark your next chapter. Subscribe for a new bookish quiz every week.